Hi everyone, and you're watching I Want to Bake Free. मेरा मानना है that baking एक अकेला ऐसा part of cuisine है which has celebration attached to it. जैसे कि birthday हो तो cake, weddings हो तो cake, parties हो तो tarts, happiness हो तो cupcakes, and this list just खत्म ही नहीं होता. And ऐसा एक bread है called Cesnica, जो कि family traditions के साथ attached है. It is said that when the bread is baked, the family members hold the bread from all sides and pull it apart. What a fun way to bake, right? So what I'm going to teach you how to make is Cesnica, cheesy zucchini roll-ups, sponge cake with chocolate mousse and galaxy glazing. A Cesnica, also called something I can't pronounce, pogacha, is the ceremonial round loaf of bread that is an indispensable part of the Christmas dinner in Serbian tradition. But because Serbia is really cold, and I know most people don't want to go there, what we decided is get the most amazing and warm part of Serbia right here to you. So what I'm going to teach you how to make is Cesnica. So in a large bowl, you add maida or all-purpose flour. We're adding ragi or nachni flour. So now I'm going to make a little well in the middle of our flour for our Cesnica. We have some yeast that is already activated. Put this in the center of our well. And of course, we're going to add some butter. Lovely, soft butter. Into this, 3 eggs. We're also going to be putting a little oil. And last but not the least, warm water. And now all I'm going to do is cut this into the flour. All right, so I'm now going to empty this on my tabletop. And now roll up. So our Cesnica dough is ready. And as you can see, it has changed color because of the ragi. A little oil on top. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to keep this 40 minutes for it to prove. Well, it is now about 40 minutes and this is it. Throw a little flour onto my tabletop and very carefully, I'm going to just take this dough out and put it onto my table. I love this. Just roll it all together. This is ready. I'm just going to keep about this much aside. I'm just going to make this round and fit this in the middle of my tin, press it all around, and keep this aside. I'm going to divide this into 3. And now I'm just going to roll it out. Keep this here. All right, and now I'm just going to make a nice rope-like design. I'm going to now roll this. I need about this much, which I am going to put inside here, and this much, and I'm going to put across it. And now I'm going to take this beautiful rope and put it along the edge of my pan. And now let this prove for the next 30 minutes. And when it's done, it's going to get into my preheated oven. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and as you can see, this has really doubled. Now I'm going to give this a nice egg wash. And now, put some flax seeds over it. Now I'm going to put this into the oven, 180 degrees, just 20 minutes. Here I come. So here it is, this wonderful Serbian bread. Take a look at our recap and come right back.
To make Cesnica, in a bowl, add 1 kg refined flour, 250 gram ragi flour, 50 gram activated dry yeast, 120 gram softened butter, 3 eggs, 20 ml vegetable oil and half cup warm water. Mix it all together and knead it into a dough. In a bowl, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoon vegetable oil and place the dough in it. Drizzle some more vegetable oil and prove it for 40 minutes under a wet muslin cloth. After proving, place it on the tabletop and remove the excess air by tapping on the dough. Knead the dough again and remove a quarter portion to form a round shape. Place the dough in a baking container to form a base. Now roll the remaining dough into long thin ropes and braid them together. Roll one more thin rope and cut them into equal pieces. Place the ropes in the container in cross position and place the braided ropes on the edges. Prove the dough again for 30 minutes under a wet muslin cloth. After proving, coat it with 2 egg wash and sprinkle 2 teaspoon flax seeds. Now in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, bake for 20 minutes. Your Cesnica is ready.